Hello everybody, this is Miss Jones with Legacy's Little Luxuries on a Sunday in January. We are very busy crafting today, Legacy and I finished the shadow box. Now, the shadow box is not an ordinary shadow box. It's not made from picture frames. It is not made from a lantern. It is made from a fireplace insert. You know, one of those electric fireplaces that give off heat for the living room. Well, I took it all apart and I made a shadow box. And without further ado, let's turn the light on, see if it works. I have a remote control LED light that I hooked up into this, and there it is. Ooh, it's cute. We have a willow tree. It's just a very classy, simple shadow box. I will repurpose it probably in March, but right now it resembles Valentine's season, and what more to honor the love that people have is to place my grandparents in this shadow box. Albert and Mary Ann Jones, they were married for over 65 years. Can you believe that? Anyhow, I wrote this poem, and it says, "If roses grow in heaven, Lord, pick a bunch for me. Find my grandparents underneath the willow tree. Gaze into their eyes. Tell them they're from me." So, this is my shadow box recycle from an old, non-working electric fireplace insert. Yeah, I can change it up, which I will do probably in March. Watch my video on YouTube on how I did this. Subscribe to my channel. And I hope someday, if you come across an electric firebox insert that does not work any longer, we'll take it apart and use it for a shadow box. It's simple and classy, but says what I need it to say. Thank you for stopping in. Send my blessings out to you and your family. #ArtistFreedom. Bye.